A very happy Friday to you. I'm King 5 meteorologist Ashley Ruiz with an extra detailed forecast for you. We have some changes going forward. Yes, it's cloudy, it's dreary. We have sprinkles out there this morning, even some light rain, especially up north, because we have some low-hanging clouds still in place, but we'll likely have at least some clearing into the afternoon. Same goes tomorrow, the 4th of July, waking up to some low clouds, gradual clearing into the back half of the day and into about midday and the afternoon. We are warmer and we're much brighter Sunday and into Monday, which is great news for the World Cup, as we have lots of people from around the world coming to join us here in Seattle. We had some decent rain, especially up toward Bellingham, a little more than half of an inch. Here in Seattle, not quite as much, but keeping things damp, which will take anything this time of year. Rain chances the next couple of days pretty low, more so, yes, today because of sprinkles. We have what's left of a little bit of a front, but going forward, ridge of high pressure building. Tuesday we're dry as well, but then Wednesday we'll reintroduce the chance for a couple of showers. As you see, sun breaks and a couple of showers there. Our warmest day, and still not all too extreme, on Monday, 81 degrees with lots of sunshine. So today, tomorrow, low and mid 70s, and the good thing is you see blue sky waiting for us above. It's just we have to burn through some of these low clouds. Pretty damp up at Paradise as well. Lake Chelan looking inviting with blue sky there. The coast locked under some low clouds as well. Here's a look at the satellite radar. Low clouds hanging over western Washington, eastern Washington, not quite the case, but temperatures today for interior areas near normal. Average high right now is about 75 for Seattle, closer to the coast in the lower and mid 60s. If you're headed to the Mariners game this evening, 7:10, and you can watch it for free on King 5, we should have some clearing with highs or temperatures in the evening in the 70s, and then toward the end of the game, things will start to get a little on the cool side, so you may want to grab a sweatshirt if you are headed there or anywhere around the western Washington area. Overnight, we're in the low and mid 50s, so near normal, if maybe even a little above normal. Then we turn the page to Saturday, the 4th of July, and generally speaking, we'll have seasonal temperatures in the mid 70s, low and mid 70s. It also depends on how quickly some of these clouds begin to scatter out and lift, but otherwise, temperatures will be on the comfortable side. Here's a look at your 4th of July planner into the afternoon. You see at least partly sunny and then followed by more clearing. That ridge begins to build Saturday night and into Sunday for fireworks time around 66, so mid 60s, pretty comfortable. If you're closer to the water, of course, if you're going to Lake Union or anything like that, going to be a little more on the cool side, but still really going to be a nice weekend. Then we get to Sunday, and this is when temperatures really begin to soar. We'll have northerly winds, generally speaking, 10 to 15 miles per hour, drying things out as well. Low and mid 70s. A few spots are typical warm spots, may even top out near 80 degrees, and we'll have mostly sunny skies. Let's take you through the futurecast, showing you this morning those low clouds and a little bit of green indicating the sprinkles or very light showers. Then we get to about midday. You see how we start to clear out a little bit. These low clouds slowly start to peel away, but the coast's going to be locked under those clouds. Then we get to the afternoon. You see more clouds hanging tight, especially essentially east of I-5 up in the Cascades. Again, depending on how high you are, if you're going to the Cascades, camping perhaps, but just know we're starting to warm things up, especially into the weekend. Each day gets warmer, with Monday being the warmest day. Here's a look tomorrow morning. We have low clouds, maybe a sprinkle or two early in the morning, and then we clear things out, except we'll likely have some lingering low clouds in place. On Sunday morning, you see some more clouds, but those quickly clear, and then we're in store for a really nice day. Monday, big day here in Seattle. the warmest. Low and mid 80s. Our hottest spots will be in the mid 80s up north from Snohomish County northward, as well as the islands in the low and mid 70s. But you see east of the Cascades going to be on the hot side, low and mid 90s. So Leavenworth right around 90 degrees. Again, World Cup. Cannot wait. We have USA versus Belgium, kickoff at 5 p.m. at Seattle Stadium. And you really just can't ask for better weather, though it will still be on the warm side, but certainly not as hot as some of our previous World Cup matches, and definitely not going to be as gray as the past two. Temperatures warming up quickly during the day, and then likely going to reach that high later in the afternoon. Toward the end of the match, we'll have temperatures in the 70s. Just don't forget that sunblock, reapply, apply, and reapply. And of course, don't forget the shades and maybe the hat as well. Next week, again, things start to change. Upper 70s Tuesday, Wednesday. That's when we start to cool down a little bit. We'll get a system rolling in, bringing only a couple of showers. And by Thursday, more morning clouds followed by afternoon sun.